In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from Prezi quickly and safely, step by step. If you're no longer using Prezi, or you just want to stop your paid plan before the next billing cycle, this guide will walk you through the exact cancellation process. It only takes a few minutes, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along easily. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Prezi account using your email and password. Once you're signed in, look for your account settings. This is where Prezi keeps your account and billing options, so that's the place you need to go. After you open account settings, click on the license tab. The license section is where your subscription information is stored, including your current plan status and cancellation options. Now, if you're on a paid plan, you should see a cancel subscription option right there in the license tab. If you don't see it, double check that you're signed into the correct account, especially if you have more than one Prezi login. Once you find the cancel subscription option, select it to begin the cancellation process. Prezi may ask you to complete a short feedback questionnaire before the cancellation is finalized. This is usually just a brief survey asking why you're leaving or what could be improved. You can answer it and continue through the prompts. After that, click Continue to finalize the cancellation. Make sure you wait for the confirmation that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. This is important because you want to be certain that the plan won't renew again in the future. If possible, also check your billing page or email for a cancellation confirmation message so you have a record for your own notes. And that's it. You've now unsubscribed from Prezi. The whole process is straightforward once you know where to look, and now you can manage your account with confidence. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.